So when you get in the group, this is how it's gonna look. So I don't like that glare. Hold on, let me get my glasses on. All right, this is how we're gonna do it. So you'll see it. Start and grow your credit repair business. That's the mission. It's very, very simple, right? Our mission is to help you start and grow your credit repair business. If you're a current credit repair business owner, grow your business. If you're an aspiring credit repair business owner, we're going to help you start your business. So when you come in the community, this is how it's going to look. You're going to see general discussion. You're going to see wins. We love posting wins. If you go to my IG at Mike O. Benjamin, you're going to see me posting a bunch of my 10K mentorship students. So I want to post you too. So make sure when you come in the community, you posting your wins, you get to the next level. Introduce yourself. We're big on community. So I love that. And then announcements. So when you come in the community, what you want to do, I'm gonna have a video again, like helping you once you actually get inside the community. But you're gonna go to the bottom here, click on introduce yourself, and then introduce yourself to the people. You never know. You might meet your wife, your husband, your next business partner that's gonna help you run up a lot of money and change lives. I don't know. Right. So I just want to create this community for y'all to be able to network. When it comes to like, networking with me and all of that, this is not necessarily the community where you're just going to be DMing me 24/7. If you want to DM me, as far as like direct contact with me, we have our 10K mentorship where we have a private Slack channel. That's where I answer those DMs over there. I'm not saying that if you DM me that there won't be a response, but it'll most likely be my team, right? You got to understand with the monthly low ticket offer, that's what it is versus the high ticket mentorship. I'm gonna answer more over there. So keep that in mind. Not that I won't be active in the community, but just a FYI, because I don't want people to like get confused. So when we go to the classroom, right, the first thing you're gonna see is start here. So you're gonna start with the core course material of the university. This is school, but like I said, this is fun school because you're gonna learn how to make money. Cat Credit University is about racks and relaxation. Harvard, whatever them schools that are doing, is about debt and depression. But let's get so when you go to start here, I have a video there for y'all on terms of how to succeed with the community. I'm speaking real in the community. If you're already in the community, you know the real stuff I'm spitting in that first video. But then you're gonna talk about some quick wins. So whether you're just starting or if you're already an active credit repair business owner, I'm giving you some action items so that we can win and get to that next level. Right. So you're gonna have those. Then we have the business formation. You got LLC formation. If you're new to credit repair, you can form your LLC that way. If you already have it established, just kind of go through what you already know. But the biggest thing I know a lot of y'all is gonna get value from, especially those of y'all that are current credit repair business owners that are stuck, maybe at anywhere from the 5 to 30K a month mark. Funding, right? So funding mastery, you're gonna want to pay attention to all those videos on the funding, right? So it's multiple videos in there. We got credit repair performance map go over a lot, like how to read the credit reports and all that, right? So it goes real in depth. Consumer law mastery. So those of y'all that know, I have a 2-hour FCRA masterclass that I give to my students in the 10K mentorship. I decided to give it to y'all here too. That's a $500 investment, but you got it here. Same thing with the FDCPA. $500 investment, you got it here. So the consumer law mastery is insane. Building credit, we go over that. Marketing mastery, if you're somebody that you're struggling to get leads, high quality leads, not only do we go crazy into marketing, and I give y'all a GodMade marketing snippet. Those of y'all that know about GodMade marketing, it's like the best marketing mechanism that I teach my students in the 10K program. But I give y'all a snippet here. So we go over that as well. So keep in mind, like you're getting a lot of sauce with this, right? And this is only the university might be different by the time you actually join, but this is just the first launch, right? Sales. A lot of y'all maybe your closing rate is trash, right? So I'm giving y'all information on sales. I literally give y'all a video that I gave to my 10K mentorship students, so you're gonna be able to run it up. If you can't, this is a $200 a month community. If you can't make over $200 a month based off of all this information here, then you just deserve to just go work a 9 to 5 for the rest of your life, right? Business is not meant for you if you can't make money off of everything that we have in here. Content mastery, and then case study mastery. So those of y'all that follow the YouTube, or if you don't follow my YouTube, my students are very successful in my 10K mentorship. program. And those of y'all that's going to be in this community, you're going to be successful too if you take action, right? I can't make you a guarantee. The only thing I can guarantee is that I'm going to give you the information. Now, will you take action and be successful like my 10K mentorship students? I don't know, right? It's just based off of you doing what you need to do. Rich people want opportunities. Poor people want guarantees. So don't have a poor mindset. If you feel like you have a poor mindset, don't get in the community. If you feel like you have a poor mindset, do not get in the community. So that's just a little bit on the classroom. So that's the course material. But then we have the ebook, like I said, for marketing. So if you're tired of cheap credit repair clients, we got the ebook. High quality clients. So let's just take a little bit of a look into the table of contents. So you see here. So you see it right here, right? So the 4 steps: you want to establish a solid foundation, create a bulletproof lead generation system, increase your closing rate, and then invest in a mentor. Obviously, you guys are investing, hopefully, if you get it past this page. But yeah, so crazy too. The ebook has made us a lot of money. And then we give you the DIY recession repair remedy course. Talks a little bit about litigation, but it's just like a less than an hour course that gets straight to it. I like it, so we do that. And then the dispute letters. So one thing about the dispute letters, I'll be transparent about. These are different dispute letters than the ones that my high ticket 10K mentorship students have access to. You got to think about it, right? $200 a month versus someone that made an investment of $10,000 in themselves. There's going to be differences here and there, right? And as you get into our community, there's going to be moments for you if you want to upgrade to the 10K mentorship. So just keep that in mind as well. And what I'll say is you got to think about it like you got 2024 version of cars, you got 2020, 2016 versions. So if you want to look at it like this is a 2016, 2020 version, and then the 10K mentorship, they get the 2024 brand new whip, you know what I'm saying, off the lot, then you can look at it in that manner as well. Affidavit of truth, the debt validation, bankruptcy deletion, student loans, late payments, and charge-offs. So this is definitely more than enough to get y'all started and get y'all some results, fixing your own credit or fixing your client's credit. So with that being said, if you're looking to get to the next level, you're looking to get into the community, I look forward to seeing you enrolled in Cat Credit University. Y'all have a blessed one. See you in the community.